Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz 2022. You're watching the 6th match here in round 1. Scores are Cornwall College on 6 points, Denbigh on 5. It's now time for the Speed Challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Denbigh, you won the toss, decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. Denbigh, which book immediately follows Jude in the Bible?
Revelation.
That's right. Which part of the flower is the peduncle?
Pass.
Stalk. Complete the proverb. Among the blind, the one-eyed man
Is king.
Correct. Who is the chairman of the Federal Reserve in the United States?
Pass.
Jerome Powell. Which American state is nicknamed the Mother of Presidents?
Atlanta.
Virginia. In the North Temperate Zone, which season is experienced in May?
Spring.
That's right. Who released the 2021 song Peaches?
Justin Bieber.
That's right. What is the formula for ascorbic acid?
Pass.
C6H8O6. A boy throws 2 dice together. What is the probability that the sum of the numbers on the dice is not more than 4?
1/4.
1/6. Who played the role of Agent 007 in the movie No Time to Die?
Daniel Craig.
Sorry?
Daniel Craig.
Daniel Craig is correct, and it came before the bell. Well done, Denbigh, for your first minute. Cornwall College, coming over to you now for your first minute. Which book immediately precedes Judges in the Bible?
Joshua.
Correct. What is the name for the part of a flower stalk where the parts of the flowers are attached?
Node.
Receptacle. Complete the proverb. Don't cut off your nose.
To spite your face. To spite your face.
That's right. Who is the Chancellor of the Exchequer in the United Kingdom?
Pass.
Rishi Sunak. Which American president was nicknamed Ike?
Ike. Pass.
Dwight D. Eisenhower. In the North Temperate Zone, which season is experienced in November?
Autumn.
Correct. Who released the 2021 song Bad Habits?
Bad habits.
Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran.
That's correct. What is the chemical formula for potassium chlorate?
KClO3. KClO3.
That's right. A girl throws 2 dice together. What is the probability that the sum of the numbers on the dice is 8?
8. You have that? No. Pass.
5/36. How many Bond movies have been produced by Eon Productions?
6.
25. Who became governor of Jamaica in 1692?
1692.
Pass.
And that is Sir William Beeston. All right. Well done, Cornwall, for your first minute. Denbigh, coming back over to you now for your second minute. Who became governor of Jamaica in 1656?
Kenneth Blackburn.
General Edward Doyley. Which local high school football team is known as the Light Blues?
Waterhouse.
Sorry?
Waterhouse.
St. George's College, whose law states that the extension or compression of an object is proportional to the force applied?
Newton's law.
Sorry?
Isaac Newton.
Hooke's law. What part of a stove in Spain is el horno?
The burner.
The oven. Which Jamaican wrote the poem entitled A Comfort of Crows?
Pass.
Dennis Scott. What is the current name of the educational institution in Jamaica formerly known as West Indies College?
Michael University.
Northern Caribbean University. According to the Bible, who was the father of Noah?
There.
Lamech. Sexual reproduction in a spirogyra occurs by what process?
Binary fission.
Conjugation. Spell choreography.
CHOREGRAPHY.
You forgot the O. CHOREOGRAPHY. Well done, Denbigh, for your second minute. Cornwall College, back over to you now for your second minute. Which local Premier League football team is known as the Stars of the East?
Harborview.
That's right. Whose law states that the direction of the induced voltage in electromagnetic induction is such that it opposes the change causing it?
Ohm's law.
Lenz's law. Which item in a Spanish living room is el florero?
The vase.
Correct. Which Jamaican wrote the poem entitled Responsibility?
Pass.
Edward Baugh. What is the current name of the Jamaican high school formerly known as Beckford and Smith's High?
San Diego.
That's correct. According to the Bible, who was the father of Methuselah?
Enoch.
Correct. What is the scientific name for the plate covering the gills of a fish?
Operculum.
That's right. Spell ridiculous.
RIDICULOUS.
Correct. Who is the member of parliament for East Rural St. Andrew in Jamaica?
Juliet Holness.
That's right. In what Jamaican parish is the Knollis Mountain?
Nice mountain.
Knowledge.
Portland.
St. Catherine. The North Atlantic Current brings warm waters from the tropics to the west coast of which continent? And you won't have time for the answer to that, which is Europe. Well done, Cornwall College. Denbigh, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. Who is the Member of Parliament for East Central St. Andrew in Jamaica?
Donovan Williams.
Dr. Peter Phillips. In what Jamaican parish is the Cromwell Mountain?
Cromwell Mountain. Westman.
St. Mary. What is the name of the sea which lies between the Philippines and Vietnam?
Mediterranean Sea.
South China Sea. Which rock band released the single Be Sweet in 2021?
Pass.
Japanese breakfast. What name is given to the oxide of a non-metal that forms an acid when combined with water?
Acid anhydride.
Acid anhydride, yes, correct. What is the sum of -7, -21, and 47?
23.
19. Who played James Bond in the 2002 film Die Another Day?
Denbigh.
Pierce Brosnan. In which year did the Russo-Japanese War begin?
Japanese. Pass.
1904. Who is the head coach of the West Indies women's cricket team?
Pass.
Courtney Walsh. What is the unit of heat in the British system?
British Thermal Unit.
That's right. Translate this and we won't have time. Well done, Denbigh, for your third and final minute. Cornwall College, back over to you now for your third and final. Which artist released the single Good For You in 2021?
Oliver Rodrigo.
That's right. What is the most abundant of the rare earth elements?
Rare earth elements. Alkali earth. Alkali earth metals.
Cerium. What is the result of 6 minus -5 squared?
11 squared. 121. 121.
Minus 19. Who played Superman in the 2006 film Superman Returns?
Henry Cavill.
Brandon Routh. In which year was the Soviet-Japanese War, which began with the invasion of Manchukuo?
1905.
1945. What is the captain? Who is the captain of the West Indies women's cricket team?
Stephanie Taylor.
That's right. What is the unit of energy in the SI system?
Energy. Joule.
That's right. Translate this sentence to English. Fui al aeropuerto ayer.
We went to the airport yesterday.
I went to the airport yesterday. Who wrote the novel The Judge's List?
Pass.
John Grisham. Between what years was Hugh Shearer Prime Minister of Jamaica?
19.
And you won't have time to answer that. 1967 to 1972. Well done, gentlemen, for your third and final minute. That's it. That's the end of the speed challenge. Scores look to be Cornwall College pulling ahead to 21 points. Denbigh still very much in the game on 12. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay tuned. The 6th match in round 1 in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz Season 22 returns right after this.